You are watching this because you want to make money and get rich, right? Good, because I'm the person who is going to teach you for free. You heard that. Free. There is no catch. I am Cliff, and I'm an experienced entrepreneur who grew and sold his first company in 1 year without even using a single paid ad. I also have an executive master's degree of business administration. I wrote a book about how I accomplished all of this, but I'm not selling you the book. I don't need to. I will be teaching you the concepts I used in my book for free. You just have to be willing to accept the free knowledge. Are you tired of being overwhelmed about business or how to make money online? Are you serious about actually doing something about it, which is more than what most people are willing to do? Then join my free community of entrepreneurs that I mentor in the SKOOL app. I believe that one should offer their best for free, which is why I want to share everything I know and have learned about growing an online business without being ripped off by useless ads. In this free community, I am doing live events for Q&A, contributing to discussions, posting articles, and posting free courses to help you become successful and begin to make money online. But you need to be there. Otherwise, I can't help you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description of this video and take just a few seconds to join my community. Or don't. Go watch more videos. Keep daydreaming and talking about maybe doing something about your life while others are actually doing something. This is your chance. This is your time. Join my community and get inspired, get mentored, get support, and ultimately gain the ability to acquire wealth. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.